about the nature of coincidence, plate, fate. I can't believe that this is true. I'm here in the room with you. Of all the millions that could be, you're here in the room with me. It's kind of creepy, kind of strange, almost like it's been arranged. It's sort of scary, pretty weird, almost like you've been sent here. You've come to me from foreign lands. I'm telling you, it must be planned. Such a wild coincidence, a 1 in million twist of chance. Ruly twisted, ruly bent, ruly big coincidence. So amazing, must be fate that you've come to be my plate.